Welcome to my channel. WAVLINK AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Outdoor Extender Full Setup Reset Instructions. Step 1. Power on the extender. Connect the WAVLINK AX1800 Outdoor Extender to the PO adapter and plug it into a power outlet. Wait until the LED lights become stable. Step 2. Connect to WAVLINK Wi-Fi. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default WAVLINK wireless network, such as WAVLINK AX1800. Step 3. Open the setup page, launch a web browser and enter 192.168.10.1 or WAVLINK in the address bar. Step 4. Log in, enter the default password admin and sign into the setup wizard. Step 5. Select repeater mode. Choose repeater mode if you want to extend your existing Wi-Fi network coverage. Step 6. Choose your main Wi-Fi network. The extender will scan nearby networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Step 7. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your router's Wi-Fi password and continue to the next step. Step 8. Save settings and reboot. Click Apply or Save. The extender will restart and connect to your router automatically. Step 9. Move the extender to the best location. Place the extender halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi coverage for better performance. Step 10. Reset the extender, if needed, to factory reset. Press and hold the reset button for about 8 to 10 seconds until the LEDs flash. Wait for the device to reboot, then set it up again from scratch. Thank you for watching.